Welcome to the manual handling and safe use of ladder safety training. I conducted this training previously in August in person, and if you were unable to attend, I have created this presentation for you. Welcome team, and thank you for your time in listening to this training presentation. My name is Judy. To anyone who is not familiar with me, I am the Quality Assurance Assistant, and I'll be presenting this training to you today. Starting August, we will be conducting weekly trainings every Friday morning. These trainings will cover quality or safety processes, issues, or any updates. If you are unable to attend this training, worry not, this will be uploaded to Tanda and assigned to the relevant staff to complete. So remember to have a look at your Tanda app for any trainings or announcements. If you have any questions or feedback, I ask that you write down in the comments box after this training or come see me or your supervisor. If you have any suggestions for training ideas or how to improve the workplace, whether that would be equipment, better processes, or issues that need to be actioned, there is a suggestions box in the office where you can write your ideas and place it in the box. Management will review this and aim to take your ideas on board to improve our workplace. Without further ado, let's begin the training. So firstly, what exactly is manual handling? It's any activity that requires a person to use physical effort to lift, lower, push, carry, or otherwise move, hold, or restrain something, whether it's an object or a person. Basically, we all do it. Who is this training for? Well, if we all do manual handling, then it applies to every personnel who are tasked to manually handle something. That includes the packers, operators, supervisors, and managers. So the first step in safe manual handling practices is planning and preparation. This means that you must assess the load before lifting to ensure it can be safely handled. The weight, shape, and size of the object can affect how you should lift the load, as assistance may be required if it's too awkward or heavy. Always plan your route and ensuring the path to your destination is clear and unobstructed. Before doing any physical effort, always prepare yourself. Warm up your muscles with gentle stretches. These stretches can be found in the lunchrooms, and whenever possible, utilize equipment such as trolleys, hoists, or forklifts to minimize manual handling. As mentioned before, these stretches are available in the lunchrooms for staff to refer to. The second step in safe manual handling practices is lifting techniques and instructions. After preparing yourself, get close to the load and position yourself with your feet shoulder width apart, one foot slightly in front for balance. Bend your knees but your back straight and your head up while using your leg muscles to initiate lift. Always keep the load close to your body to reduce strain on your back. Avoid any twisting of the torso or jerky movements. Turn your feet to change directions instead. When the load is too heavy and assistance is needed, team lifting techniques are important. When lifting together, communicate clearly to coordinate movements and timing with your team. Ensure the team is lifting simultaneously and maintaining a consistent pace. Keep the load level when lifting to distribute the weight evenly. Here are some specific scenarios to consider. When lifting from the floor, squat down, bend your knees, and keep your back straight while lifting. When you're lifting from above shoulder height, use a stable platform stool to reach the object. I'll talk about how to safely use the platform ladders provided on site on the next slide. When you're pushing and pulling, always maintain a wide stance, use your body weight, and push rather than pull whenever possible. When reaching above shoulder height, utilize equipment, such as platform ladders, to safely grab items. At Toowoomba, it is no longer allowed to use any step ladders. Platform ladders must be used. On the screen, you will see the difference between platform and step ladders. So before using the ladder, always inspect for any cracks, dents, bent parts, loose or missing steps, bolts, locks, and if the threads are clean, dry, and non-slippery. Avoid placing the ladder where there are obstructions, traffic, or hazards. Check the ladder rating if it is suitable for the task, and always wear appropriate footwear with good grip when using the ladder. When setting up the ladder, fully open it and lock the spreaders into place. Place the ladder on a flat, stable, and non-slippery surface. Do not place it on boxes, crates, or uneven ground. Keep the ladder close to the work area to avoid overreaching. After setting up the ladder, it's time to use it. Remember these important key points. Only one person can use the ladder at a time. Face the ladder when climbing and descending. Maintain 3 points of contact, for example, 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet and 1 hand. Avoid overreaching. Always keep your belt buckle between the side rails. Do not stand on the top 2 steps unless designed for it. Do not move or shift the ladder while standing on it. And use a tool belt or pouch to carry tools. Do not carry them in your hands. After using the ladder, clean it off any debris or spills. Store it in a dry, secure location. And if there's any damages, report and tag it for repair or disposal. In case of emergency, please call the first aid officer immediately. The first aid officers on site are Roxanne and Sean. Afterwards, report the incident to your supervisor and complete an incident report form. Some important considerations. Know your limits and do not attempt to lift if it is too heavy or awkward. Do not hesitate to ask for assistance and report any hazards to your supervisor. Please take the time to watch this video at the end of this training. That concludes our training. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.